Hello everyone, today we are going to see the new machine for ONA AD Series. So let me open the file. Okay, so let's change it to wireframe and shade position. So after shading, let's go for ISO 1 view and let's go for a cam WireEDM technology. I'm selecting ONA AD Series, confirming that, and by selecting XY I'm selecting the bottom face. So for all the geometries I'll be selecting the bottom face and confirm the geometry. So once we confirm, we need to rectify height. If it is not, select the top face and generate the height. So now the height and the geometry has been done. Let's go for entry motion. So we need to create 2 mm length with XY perpendicularity. So I'm selecting the point and clicking on the object. So it creates automatic entry motion as a 2 mm. So for all the geometries now it has been created. Let me close the window. Let's go for wizard process. So inside wizard I'm selecting the database with the 3 cuts with 2 skimming, the technologies and all the materials separation cut. I'm not giving anything. Let's confirm and calculate. So it automatically generates all the process and automatically calculate the process. So once it has been calculated, let's see the stock simulation now. So let's see, I'm clicking on the stock simulation now. So here it comes. So let me start the stock simulation by clicking on play. So now you can see the roughing cut of the geometry has been started and now skimming cut is done. Same way for all the geometries, the roughing cut and skimming 1 and skimming 2 will be taken place. So here to identify the visualization, the color code has been there. So you can see one color is maroon, so it has selected a roughing, and next color changed for skimming. Same way for other skimming also it will be changed. So now it's going for the last geometry to cut roughing and the skimming will be started soon. Yes, so this is how the process inside the machine will be running. So you can see the last skimming option is coming now. So it has been finished. So you can see the job has been completed without any problem. So this is how you'll be running the job inside the machine. So how we can generate in the machine? So we need to generate post for it. So to generate the post, right click on the toolbar, click on post, select series and select generate post processor. So it automatically generate all the G code and M codes for the machine. Thank you for watching and subscribe for our channel for more updates and news. Thank you.